Hello, farming tech explorers. Dive into smart tech as we unveil the latest innovations in heavy machinery and smart agricultural solutions.
French startup Vidibot has developed Bacchus, a robot designed for vineyard work. The versatile and fully electric robot can control weeds and treat and spray vines. The machine is expected to perform other tasks in the future. Thanks to its 80 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion batteries, Bacchus can operate autonomously for up to 10 hours. The absence of a cab reduces the center of gravity, which allows working on steep slopes. Due to its size and light weight, the robot uses little energy and reduces soil compaction. Bacchus is equipped with light indicators that allow you to see your work at a short distance and at night. Infrared vision is provided by TOF cameras and gives an accurate image of the environment.
Gus Herbicide is an autonomous robotic sprayer designed to revolutionize the management of today's gardens. Developed by Gus Automation, it combines advanced weed detection technology, labor reduction capabilities, and a commitment to environmental sustainability to address the challenges faced by today's growers. Gus Herbicide utilizes a sophisticated weed detection system with 9 sensors that accurately identify, target, and spot spray weeds on the garden floor. By integrating this advanced technology, this technique ensures precise herbicide application, minimizing material use and drift during the application process. This benefits the environment and increases safety for both the operator and the product itself. Greens may not be that difficult to grow, but harvesting is quite labor-intensive. Therefore, machines to facilitate these processes are widespread among special technologies for vegetable production. One of the most efficient and productive of them is the Automech machine, Model 8200 Latuga. In fact, it's a self-propelled harvester on wheels, harvesting lettuce and puffed vegetables, such as arugula, spinach, etc. It's manufactured in a factory near Venice, Italy. Automech harvesters use a belt knife system to easily cut high-density crops. This is not science fiction. You can buy the TieBot robot right now. The novelty presents an autonomously working robot that binds rebar. This robot is brought into a working position using a small remote control panel. It can see the rebar using computer vision, just as a human sees it. The robot is capable of tying approximately 1,000 pieces of rebar per hour. That's the same amount of work that would normally require a team of 6 to 8 workers. And while the developers originally planned to target the bridge industry, it's now ready for any horizontal rebar work. By the way, because of the huge increase in productivity, the payback period for the development is only about 1 year. How can technology transform your farm? Meet Robot One, a revolutionary robot equipped with 14 cameras and a dual GPS antenna. It's ideal for large plots and effectively combats weeds, making manual weeding a thing of the past. With Scan and Act, the Robot One automatically tends to the first 100 meters of the field, keeping the plants in perfect condition. It not only removes unwanted weeds, but also collects data, creating an accurate map of each plant's location for precise treatment later. Give Robot One the power to simplify the care of your crops, bringing innovation to your farm and increasing its productivity. Bellinger Estates and Warriors Rest, 2 prominent players in the world of winemaking, have chosen the path of innovation to protect their 5-acre vineyards by turning their attention to Avix Automatics laser technology. Goodbye, pesky starlings and sparrows that used to be constant intruders enjoying their grapes. Replacing loud sirens and extensive nets with lasers doesn't just sound like a plot from a science fiction movie, but it's been shown to be practically effective. This change in tactics has not only resulted in less crop damage from birds, but has also significantly reduced labor costs. Now, in the run-up to harvest, owners can breathe more freely knowing that their labors are protected by an invisible but powerful laser barrier. You see the PowerScreen H6203 horizontal sieve, a technique that is ideal for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate bulk sizing required in many construction contracts. The adjustable elliptical stroke combines linear and circular amplitude to provide aggressive screening action. Power screen horizontal screens are particularly effective at scalping after primary impact or jaw crushers and really excel at screening certain fines. Ideal for applications such as natural and crushed aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and asphalt. Peugeot has gone to great lengths to bring the MFT 240 firefighting combination truck into the world. As a result, it's equipped with a powerful load-sensitive hydraulic system with an operating pressure of 250 bar. This is necessary to operate the 7.5-foot wide front mulcher. The machine is equipped with a Palfinger Epsilon crane with a 36-foot boom outreach and a tilting pivoting pole that keeps the crane level on steep slopes. The boom includes a fire hose for precision firefighting with a jet length of up to 196 feet. In addition, there are 3 more high-pressure hoses that firefighters can use simultaneously. Available with a 5,000 or 10,000-liter water tank. 2 11.5-ton Uniforced hydraulically powered winches are mounted in the rear. They have an electro-hydraulically controlled unwinding device to facilitate cable unwinding and have pull speeds from 0 to 5 miles per hour. Now you can turn your backhoe loader into a giant chainsaw. Do you need to effectively control all kinds of pests? But you have a huge agricultural area and you don't know how to reduce the time required for this process. The Ultra Air Blast Sprayer is perfect for such purposes. And how it works and what you can expect. Just look at this. It's all self-explanatory, without words. Priva, a company from the Netherlands, has launched the Compano robot, which cuts tomato leaves in greenhouses. This robot can move freely around the greenhouse while considering the staff working at the same time. It has enough charge for 24 hours of constant work and is equipped with a 5-kilowatt battery. The developer's main goal is to address the shortage of skilled labor for processing and caring for greenhouse vegetables. The Compano weighs nearly 936 pounds, is 75 inches long, 35 inches wide, and 70 inches high. Its patented arm and intelligent algorithms guarantee 85% efficiency within a week on a single acre. The robotic trimmer is easily controlled by a smart device and is customizable according to user preferences and needs. The Maja Automatic LK Fruit and Berry Shaking and Cleaning Machine is a technique that allows you to quickly and efficiently remove ripe fruit from trees. It can be used for harvesting apples, cherries, plums, olives, almonds, and other stone fruits. The machine is equipped with a special screen, which is rewound and retracted fully automatically. By the way, only 2 people can work on it, which significantly reduces the cost in manpower and also accelerates the process of harvesting fruits and berries. Depending on the parameters of the plantation, it's possible to choose the width of the screen that will be mounted on the machine, allowing individual adaptation of the technique to the needs of the buyer. The hydraulic drives on the working compositions, as well as the smooth adjustment of the parameters, make the operation of the Maja Automatic LK simple and easy to understand. The SP3150 grabs bales in the same direction your baler places them in the field by clamping the sides of the bale, eliminating the need to drive crosswise across the field or move bales across the ground into position. The bale clamp quickly pulls the bales off the ground, reducing the amount of stuck debris created when the bales slide on the ground. It's fully adjustable for 3x3, 3x4, and 4x4 bales, and the spring-loaded bumper has multiple settings for different bale lengths. Roller forks stabilize the bales on the platform and ensure tight and even stacking. The 85H Pro hydraulic winch, with a pulling force of 8.5 tons, is applied with an unwinding device. It has a convenient compact design, designed with modern technology, and can be mounted either at the front or rear of the loader. A flexible safety net serves to protect the tractor during skidding, and a safety pin on the lower pulley prevents the cable from unwinding. The equipment has additional holders for chainsaw, pickaxe, and axe. As for the 3-point linkage, it ensures quick coupling of the winch with the tractor. The winch of this series is equipped with LUK clutch from Germany, the world leader in the production of clutches for the automotive The Epiroc DM30XC is a crawler-mounted top hydraulic rotary blast hole drilling machine with 30-foot drill pipe exchange capability. The starter drill rod is located under the DM30XC machine's rotary drive. Total cleaning depth is 148 feet, depending on drill pipe size. The DM30XC is designed to handle drill pipe diameters from 4 inches to 6¼ inches. The drill bit is rated at 44,000 pounds. A choice of low or high pressure compressor makes the machine suitable for rotary drilling or submerged percussion drilling.
The Terragator is designed for fertilizer application. The machine cab provides complete comfort and a safe working environment for operators. It's hermetically sealed from the outside environment and equipped with a 3-level filtration system to protect against dust, chemicals, and pollutants. All information and commands, from application rates to data logging, are shown on the touchscreen. All machine functions, raising and lowering attachments, gear selection, loading arm and hydraulics, can be controlled via the new control lever. It also allows you to memorize a series of sequences to start the sequence at the touch of a button. The popular company Prinoth has brought to the market a new generation of crawler dump trucks, Panther Series T14R. The payload capacity of such special equipment is 13.2 tons. The dump truck is equipped with a Caterpillar engine with an output of 275 horsepower, and the maximum speed, which can develop without a load, is 13.5 kilometers per hour. The machine can overcome significant uphill climbs, and it's also 5% faster than the previous model. The T14R modification is redesigned to provide maximum visibility from the cab, equipped with intuitive options and modern warning systems. The main feature of the dump truck is a directional option, which the manufacturer positions as know-how, the first of its kind in the industry. Let's mention the chain cutter EK140 from Chemrock, which is designed for use on excavators with operating weight from 10 to 50 tons. Such equipment can be used for digging trenches and mining rocks with uniaxial compressive strength up to 100 megapascals, and also for mining soft rocks of medium hardness with compressive strength from 15 to 60 megapascals, where the use of drilling and blasting technology is not allowed. Such a machine performs its work with high precision. The technique works through a comprehensive cutting chain driven by the cutting heads of the cutter, and automatically breaks the intermediate web between the cutting heads during milling. The main features of this chain cutter are the possibility to change the width of the cutting head, as well as low noise and vibration levels. The brand new SL700 and SL900 series stock fillers combine top performance, optimum product protection, and user-friendliness. Compared to the previous model, their belt width has been slightly increased. The shape of the conveyor belt chute has also been optimized regarding the conveyor cross-section. This means that even higher throughput can now be achieved. In addition, lower throughput volumes can be handled with lower belt speeds, which has a positive effect on product protection. The new stock fillers in this series features a conveyor belt that is 26 inches wide and 650 inches long. This machine is also equipped with an optional quantum feed conveyor. This is the new stair trencher model SGF 800. It represents a new drive concept that transmits an extremely high torque to the cutting tooth at a relatively low drive power. With it, you can mill cable ducts up to 12 inches wide and 32 inches deep in a short time. The trencher is suitable for cutting trenches of any requirements, such as empty pipes, water pipes, power lines, fiber optic routes, or drainage. It really is the perfect machine for broadband extension, and yes, it works many times faster than any excavator. The cutting wheel is equipped with carbide bits with a round shaft that won't stop on rocks in the ground. Even in winter, when the ground freezes to a depth of up to 24 inches, this technique can be used without any problems. Pruning green or dry trees, such as citrus and olive orchards, is now effortless with the new pruning machine from BMV. Perhaps its main advantages are great air circulation and easy handling. The machine is equipped with an independent hydraulic unit with an 80-liter tank, internal filter, cooling radiator, and double pump.
Various hydraulic offsets allow the machine to be adapted to any type of row.
Combi Model 1010C is a mounted single-row top lifter with integrated container filling system. The machine is characterized by its top lift unit. This ensures high efficiency, cleaning capacity, and crop protection. The top lift unit is equipped with user-friendly functions. It's also interesting to watch the Combi 1010C work itself. The coulter loosens the soil under the root, while the rotating torpedoes lift the tops, the hulms of the carrots so that they can be pulled out with a pressure belt. The root cleaner then removes the adhering soil. The cutting unit removes the tops of the hulm from the carrot at the base, so that they can be thrown behind the machine. The carrots are fed into the crates by the assembly table conveyor. The machine can be equipped with various crate platforms for this purpose. Now you see the super modern pumpkin harvester model KX4 Hydro S from Modi. This cool mechanically driven machine impresses with its functionality, form, and design. Many years of experience in the production of pumpkin harvesting equipment only confirms this. The powerful harvester is equipped with a large sifting drum made of semicircular bars and is designed for high productivity. Its advantages are high harvesting quality, economical operation, onboard hydraulics for autonomous oil supply of the hydraulic components, and minimal maintenance as well as cleaning time. This video explains the installation process and the final result of cotton irrigation with smart siphons. The smart siphon replaces manual siphons, increasing efficiency and productivity throughout the cotton farm flood irrigation industry. Smart siphons connect to a 3.5-inch diameter pipe through a bank with a rotating lever and riser. Each group is activated by turning the lever from the vertical position to the horizontal position. The rate of total flow can be adjusted by inserting adapters into the riser and by adjusting the height of the head. Each of the siphon groups can be started and stopped either by pressing a button on the controller or via an app on the cell phone. Meet the HX1, a revolutionary next-generation dump truck that is a game-changer for the construction industry. This 15-ton, battery-powered autonomous titan isn't just moving loads, it's rewriting the future of sustainability on construction sites. Featuring hybrid electric technology, the HX1 is equipped with four-wheel steering, giving it incredible maneuverability. The energy recovery system maximizes every watt generated, and its zero emissions makes it a clean companion for any project. The modular layout adds versatility, making the HX1 ideal for any construction task that requires power and stability. Erickson Air Crane of Oregon, one of the leading U.S. manufacturers of specialized equipment, has introduced an upgraded S-64 helicopter crane. Its main feature is the presence of a grapple grip. According to the designer's idea, the novelty is needed when liquidating the consequences of major emergencies and natural disasters. Importantly, the capabilities of the matrix detection and evasion system can allow the S-64 to extinguish fires with water droplets at night or in poor visibility conditions, for example, when the pilot's vision is obscured by smoke. In addition, an autonomous S-64 could also be useful for military resupply missions or for lifting long-line cargo. The CAT amphibious excavator is the epitome of versatile equipment for tackling water bodies and hard-to-reach areas. In front of you is a heavy construction machine that can be used for coastal trenching, loading and unloading, pile driving, and demolition work. The undercarriage of this amphibious excavator is specially designed to maneuver in harsh environments such as swamps, inland lakes, and shallow waters where a normal standard excavator can't reach. An extremely powerful and efficient machine, less than 16 feet wide, is undoubtedly what a high-performance amphibious excavator should be. It's the maximum payload, reach, and power you can get without having to disassemble for transportation. See and Spray is the next generation of Blue River technology. See and Spray machines use deep learning so they can identify a wide variety of plants, both crops and weeds, with greater accuracy and then make crop management decisions on the spot. Blue River Technology specifically developed such a machine for use in the agricultural sector, and believe me,
it can replace humans at certain stages of plant cultivation. This will improve growing efficiency and reduce labor costs. With 2 tanks, farmers can use 2 independent mixtures to simultaneously spread residual herbicide to prevent future weeds and simultaneously spray emerging weeds with herbicide. 2 solutions applied simultaneously in one pass are used here. Watering tomatoes can be a spectacle too if you have a Casella PLMP 150-480 irrigator. It's not just a hose reel, but a real technological powerhouse with an integrated motor pump that helps you achieve an average yield of 130 tons per hectare. And how does it look in action? It looks great. No wonder watering tomatoes can be a real spectacle with this equipment. Looking for a solution to improve peat soils? The Rodenberg sprayer from HKA is what you need. This lightweight machine is capable of processing up to 500 cubic yards of material per hour, demonstrating outstanding performance with minimal energy consumption. With a working width of up to 131 feet and the ability to fill with water, the Rodenberg sprayer is ideal for working on difficult peat areas. It features the ability to drain through a hose, providing efficient distribution and wide coverage, even far from the ditch. Low weight and excellent distribution make this tool indispensable for improving land quality and accessibility. Explore new horizons in construction with a Steer AS14 tractor and hitch, capable of producing up to 500 horses. This incredible piece of equipment is designed to move huge amounts of ground, up to 494 cubic feet, so it's ideal for large-scale construction projects and surface mining operations. Compare that to a traditional excavator, where the Steer with its scraper bucket can handle the same volume in 15 seconds. An excavator, on the other hand, takes over 3 minutes. Using a Steer trailed scraper that can travel from 984 to 4,921 feet, you'll find that it's 3 times more efficient and faster than traditional methods. The transportation of ET-94, the latest external fuel tank of NASA's spacecraft, has become a real public event. The route from NASA to the California Science Center became a spectacle, attracting many people eager to see this unique object with their own eyes. The complexity and magnitude of this operation was only made possible because of the advanced technology and powerful machinery capable of safely transporting such a huge and significant piece of space history. As the tank slowly moved through the streets, spectators watched with wonder and admiration each step of this exceptional journey, which became an important page in the history of space exploration. Now you can turn your backhoe loader into a giant chainsaw, and without much effort. You can do this with a very unusual attachment from the Italian company Dazzini. There may not be many possible applications for this giant chainsaw in construction, but it looks great. This model is designed to be mounted on a Cat 432D backhoe loader and is specifically designed to take full advantage of the hydraulics of this particular machine. The saw can be operated right from the cab, and you can control the height and angle of the saw. Powerful stuff, I must admit. The multi-mobile vacuum slab laying machine from Probst is designed for easy and precise laying of products weighing up to 200 kilograms. It's used for concrete slabs, large-size paving slabs, natural stone, gutters, and much more. The work is carried out by a special vacuum hose, which produces a gentle lifting and laying of the material. Among the advantages is the precise installation of the tiles, thanks to a movable beam on which the hose is attached. In addition, previously laid slabs can be easily removed when needed. The machine has an electric drive or drive from a gasoline engine at the choice of the user, and its capacity is 300 square meters per day. Here is a new mini excavator, the APS KME-08, with an engine power of 7 kilowatts. The operating weight of this technological monster is almost a ton. The main advantage of the technique is the presence of the third hydraulic outlet, ready and armed connection for hammer or drill, as well as an additional lever to control the third hydraulic system. The excavator with hydraulic oil cooler allows continuous work without interruption, up to several hours. Thanks to its small size, this mini machine is perfectly suited for working in confined spaces, and transportation is much easier.
Whatever you say, Kessler 700 cranes are ideal allies and partners for various medium-sized machines, crushers, and various terminal structures. The models are available in single and double hull versions. Additional equipment can be added from the wide range of Kessler Pro G. These cranes can also be equipped with an electronic remote control valve. Both the Model 700 and the Model 700T are equipped with mechanical valves with an internal open control device. And what do we see in the video? How the Model 700 crane works perfectly with a modern Valtra T195 mid-size tractor on the forests of Finland. It's mounted on the rear axle of this tractor, and it simply copes with all the tasks at hand.
Here's what Jailer's largest TMR mixer looks like, designed to mix and transport more than 1,000 cubic feet or 32 meters cubed of TMR. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feeding lots. The machine is available with any of the company's patented augers. Choose from sliding plate augers, ideal for fast, low-powered feed processing, or slant blade augers when heavier loading is preferred, such as when processing dense meat. Combining the advantages of wheeled and tracked excavators has resulted in a unique mecha-like solution that combines mobility, versatility, sustainability, accessibility, ease of operation, lifting power, and cost-effectiveness. This is the MWR series. The cab is 20% lower than competing products on the market, so getting in and out of the vehicle now requires much less effort, made even easier by the addition of the step, which is perfectly integrated into the design of the machine. One small step for the individual is one giant leap in workplace safety. Every driver action is simplified, providing greater protection for everyone on the job site. When it comes to innovation, the principle "less is better" is definitely one of the keys to mecha-like success. With this unique technique, everything can be done instantly by choosing the right configuration. This guarantees flawless and ultra-safe driving on construction sites, allowing the driver to concentrate on the tasks at hand with peace of mind and full control of the machine. With its many advantages, this reach stacker offers high safety, efficiency, precision, and stability. The integrated operating system provides the loader with excellent performance. The engine, transmission, electrical, hydraulic, loading, and spreader safety systems are integrated in the CAN bus, which means that the entire working process is monitored in real time.
Model 8312 is Sputnik's first folding potato planter that can fold from 12 rows to the width of a 6-row machine, making it much easier to move in the field. The versatile machine can plant 3, 6, 9, and 12 rows at the same time, allowing you to plant product in all areas of the field you're working on. This model has a large tipping seed hopper for 400 bags of potatoes, so you can plant for long periods of time to minimize stopping and starting at the end of the field for reloading. And with safe and quick transportation from field to field, you can spend more time at work rather than dealing with long hauls. The 8312 makes it easier to move around power poles and irrigation equipment. It also reduces the amount of equipment or people needed to plant potatoes. This machine is a mid-size sandstone harvester equipped with onboard hydraulics and a 5-row evolution cleaning system that uses steel or rubber smooth draft rollers, 4 of which are adjustable from the tractor cab. Thanks to intelligent depth control, the sandstone harvester grabs only the soil needed to get under each potato, eliminating cuts and other damage. The machine is also equipped with various halm extraction points, allowing a clean sample to be fed to the excavator and then to the trailer. The Scanstone Combine is unique because it can be used to harvest all types of potatoes, including small salads and seeds, as well as harvest larger crops with minimal downtime to set up the machine. In agriculture, where labor is always in short supply and costs are rising, many farmers want their tractors to be more than just tractors. They want them to be able to perform the functions of a combine harvester. It's for such needs that BCS has developed a new product, the Reaper Binder with front control on the tractor.
This device transforms an ordinary tractor into a versatile machine that can not only plow the land, but also harvest it. Easy to operate and efficient, this device opens up new possibilities for farmers, helping them to optimize resources and increase productivity in the fields. You can now see on your screens how the ditches are cleared during the annual fall maintenance with the Mary Pete OJK 1.3 auger ditch digger. By the way, deep cleaning is accomplished in just one pass. The Mary Pete ditch digger is also equipped with a 200 horsepower agricultural tractor. OJK screw trenchers are the ideal tool for working on peat bogs in all conditions. The auger effectively cuts through any trees, roots, and stumps in bogs, and ditches can be made even in heavy frosts. Only one pass is required to create a clean ditch to the maximum depth. The peat is spread a long distance on both sides of the ditch and evenly distributed over the strip. Dreaming of a mower that not only covers a 31.1-foot width, but also transforms your field into a work of art? Meet the Disco 9700. A giant among mowers, designed for maximum yields of up to 60 tons per hectare and neat swathing. The new active float system ensures that even on difficult terrain, every bit of ground is perfectly tilled. The double drive of the roller conditioner and the optimal crop flow make this machine unbeatable in the care of green forage. Experience in your own field how Class Engineering Solutions turns conventional harvesting into a high-tech process because of the Disco 9700 RC Auto Swather. Your farm will step into the future of agricultural technology. Dominator Model LV1400 is originally designed for heavy forest maintenance work. The machine can be equipped with a wide range of attachments and an extendable boom, which is suitable for intensive forestry work such as stump grinding, tree felling, and wood chopping. What we have is a multifunctional and versatile machine that also works outside the forest. Its sturdy front panel and auxiliary arm can be equipped with a wide range of attachments for use from roadside and highway maintenance to winter snow removal. In addition, the lift cab design and remote control allows forestry work to be performed in areas that are particularly sloped and dangerous to access. Solar panels and asphalt roads are a true symbiosis of technologies. Solar Roads is a two-in-one solution that is designed to solve many problems of new century technologies. And this is a really great idea because such a project will turn ordinary asphalt roads into entire energy-generating transportation arteries. There are still some nuances in the use of such systems, but the pluses are much more. For example, energy from road solar panels can be used to heat the roadbed in winter and cooling by pumping water through the same pipes in summer. They can charge passing electric cars wirelessly and wired, and provide light indication of markings in the evening and at night. In addition, it could also be selling extra energy to cities and towns. Super Champ SL is durable, reliable in operation, and extremely robust. This means up to 30,000 operating hours with low maintenance costs. Thanks to the powerful and reliable Mercedes-Benz engine, the machine is the ideal high-performance partner for large companies, contractors, and many company groups. Thanks to the powerful 6-cylinder MTU engine of the latest generation with an output of 210 kilowatts, the Super Champ SL operates at maximum productivity, at a significantly reduced operating speed. All shredding and mixing processes take place at 1400 RPM, and even travel at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour is within this low-speed range. The result? Uncompromising performance on demand, smooth running, economical, material, and environmental protection. The heavy-duty Power 48 professional olive-picking comb with a 480W brushless motor makes the job easier and more profitable while preserving the tree, its fruit, and branches. Lightweight and easy to handle, it's suitable for all varieties of olives. The productive technique allows you to harvest up to 8 times faster than manually. Its ergonomic design provides exceptional comfort and ease of use, particularly thanks to models with 2 supports, a fixed length of 7.5 feet and a telescopic height from 7.2 to 9.8 feet. In terms of power, multiple batteries are available. Power Pack M and L for up to a day of autonomy, as well as a 12-volt converter. You're looking at more than just a Trium 6-row 4.0 planter from Cecchi and Magli. It's your trusted partner in your dream garden, capable of placing seedlings at a minimum distance of 18 inches between rows. Ideal for finicky plants with lush leaves, from tomatoes to hemp. This machine promises convenience and high efficiency thanks to its semi-automatic mechanism. Its heart is a 10-cup rotating spreader that guarantees a capacity of up to 5,000 plants per hour per row. Add to this the folding hydraulic frame for easy transportation and its independent modular transplanting compartments, and you have the perfect tool for your agrarian creativity. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to a wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. This is what the compact MC130 looks like. It's powered by a powerful and economic Yanmar diesel engine certified to the Stage 5 environmental standard. It's the only sweeper on the market in the class up to 3.5 tons. It's equipped with a double cab and impresses greatly with its excellent combination of performance and economy in municipal cleaning work. You see the Pecan gull-wing dual-tire system. The creation of this extraordinary technique was inspired by the desire for dual wheels and the need to comply with road width regulations. Pecan developed a special gull-wing system that detaches both rear duals and lifts them above the tractor for transportation. When the machine arrives in the field, the operator can fold the wheels without leaving the cab. The doubles are quickly attached to the rear wheels with a special coupling system. Coupling plates ensure that the tires are truly aligned correctly when changing from working to field mode, and then they're screwed into place. And the transition to transport mode takes only 20 to 30 seconds. Have you ever wondered how versatile one excavator can be? Introducing Gradall hydraulic excavators with an incredible arsenal of attachments. From powerful grapples to precise branch cutters and reliable road mowers, Gradall makes hard work a breeze. But that's not all. With the Telestick, the reach of the telescopic boom is extended, allowing you to reach new heights and depths. Now you can see exactly how Gradall is a game changer in the construction industry. Meet Samco Systems' Cool Trailer Wagon, a masterful addition to a large combine harvester. The convenient wheeled wagon attaches to the tractor and follows perfectly alongside the combine in the field, ensuring an efficient and smooth harvest. Designed to maximize productivity and ease of use, this trailer greatly simplifies the harvesting process, allowing the combine to work more efficiently and reducing the time needed for harvesting. Thanks to its durability and reliability, the Samco Systems unit will become an indispensable assistant in any agribusiness. Open up a world of new possibilities with the Rototilt R3, the unbeatable assistant for excavators from 6 to 12 tons. This innovative Rototilt, with a breakaway torque of 85 kilonewtons, is a real breakthrough for any machine. The R3 is equipped with a high-tech swivel mechanism for efficient and precise operation. Its sophisticated hydraulic system, rated at 250 bar, guarantees top performance. The connected impact rotating brush is ideal for spotless railroad tracks, demonstrating the versatility and efficiency of the R3 in action. Now, a little bit about the Model 140 Scooper mobile conveyor from Sputnik. The action of this dimensional rig is really impressive. I won't hide it. It can range from 27.7 to 37.6 feet in length, belt widths from 30 to 36 inches, and delivery sizes range up to 5,700 pounds or 2.59 metric tons. Among the big pluses is the intuitive and simple control system on the side of the machine. The onboard steering is controlled by two levers located on either side of the operator. Dipper Fox is a professional stump grinder that will please any user of heavy equipment. The machine drills perfectly through stumps and their roots, driving all the remains deep into the ground. Therefore, there is no more need for additional clearing of the logging site. And what's more, you no longer need to collect, transport, and dispose of the remains. Such a time and resource saver.
Swedish trailer manufacturer Ivarsson's Metjo has launched its Metaflex 4X 4-axle hook lift. The new hook lift has a lifting capacity of 30 tons and accepts Scandinavian and European standard containers with lengths of 19.6 to 24.6 feet. The technique is based on the Metjo gear shift system with telescopic cylinders that work in synergy. The system does provide a very fast tipping process and low dead weight. Despite 4 axles and a 30-ton payload, the Metaflex 4X weighs only 6 tons, which means it lifts a weight somewhere around 5 times its own weight. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.